Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Learning. Today I am making my first video for my YouTube channel regarding the Vlookup functionality and its error. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel for the new videos. Let's start it. Our first topic is sometime when we apply the Vlookup function on the two files, it gives error. Let's try it first, then I will tell you the solution. This is the table showing the names, roll number and marks of the student. Now I want to bring the marks against these roll numbers from another sheet. Let's try it and find if it works or not. So apply the VLOOKUP formula. Selecting the row H4 and going to the other sheet for going to the sheet. I need to bring the marks, so I will select the three columns from C to E and putting the 3 as because I need to bring the marks against the roll number, and click comma and then put the true approximate match. I click enter. So you see that the formula is giving the error. The reason behind this is that I'm applying the Excel formula, VLOOKUP formula on the XLS worksheet, which is this is the older version. In order to apply the VLOOKUP in the older sheet and to bring the data from the new sheet, we need to apply the formula like this: VLOOKUP, select the row number H4, apply comma, then go to this sheet. Rather selecting the whole columns, we need to select the selected area where we want to apply the VLOOKUP. So in order to select the information from C4 to E12, so I select this area only. So click the 3 again to collect the marks information, click 0 and enter. Now you see that it brings the correct information by using the selected area. Now drag down this information below or copy paste the information below, and you will see that the information is correctly pasted and correctly received. We check this information is randomly check if the information is comes as correctly or not. If we see the IDK minus sign 128 in the other sheet, it is 38 or not. So see if it's 138, IDK 128 is against the Imran person, his marks is 38, so the result is correct. So this was the first topic where the VLOOKUP function did not work and we have to give the absolute range to collect the correct data. Thank you. So moving ahead, now we will discuss some other VLOOKUP error we face normally applying the VLOOKUP functionality. As we already discussed that there are 3 information as a roll number, student and marks coming in the column C, D and E. Now I want to return the marks information in the column I from the information C, D and E column. So apply the VLOOKUP formula as select the range where we apply the VLOOKUP formula, click 3 and 0. Now you see that the VLOOKUP formula or the formula even did not appear as a formula, but it is written as text. In Excel, when we need to apply the formula, the cell should not be selected as text, as in the case the cell is selected as text where we are applying the formula. So in order to apply the formula correctly to be as a formula, that the cell should be visible as formula, I need to replace this text information to general. Then I will apply the VLOOKUP formula again. Let's see what's the result came. Same, I will select the range where I need to apply the VLOOKUP formula, select 3 and then same, apply the answer. So you see the formula result came correctly. Now I will drag down this information till the end, to see if it's working as correctly or not. No, this information, there is errors, multiple errors coming here against the multiple roll numbers. We will discuss step by step each and every error. So see, first error is that the roll number 123 is not coming under the range where we are applying the VLOOKUP. So in order to have the correct answer, we need to log the range from the cell. We need to log the cell from the C4 to E12. So doing this, going to the cell I4, I have to click here and then apply F4. It will lock the cell starting lock range, and then I will select here cells E12, and then again pressing the F4, it will select the last range. So the whole range is selected now. I will click enter. So this range selected now. I will drag down the information till end. You see if there is error or not. No, still there is error coming. The problem is not solved. Now for this I will check the length of the 123 if it is correct by using the length formula, and this I see there is a length of 8. Now I will check this. This is coming as no. There is a difference in the length of the both roll numbers. So means there is will be any error, and if I click F2, there is I see a space in the cell. So I will remove the cell space and click enter. You see that answer came as correctly. Same is the case. I will see if there is any error in for against the roll number 127. I will check, and same I will check for the roll number 10. Again there is a space error. I will remove this error, and then the result will came as correctly. Now again I see the error against the roll number 127. What is the error in the roll number 7? Again there is a space issue. Roll number 128. If I just check the length, I will check the length. There is a 9. So there, if as you see, we cannot see this is there is extra spaces, but we have click on the F2. We can see that there are 2 spaces, extra spaces. So we need to remove the spaces and then click enter, and then the error is removed and the formula answer is get correctly. For row number 129, again there is space. I see a space at the 9. So applying this, we can see that all the answers are appeared as correctly. So this is the basic error we receive normally the VLOOKUP function, and we discuss some of them. Now problem is that it is difficult to find. If this is a very small amount of data to work on. We work on very small amount of data on for the 6 to 7 or 6 to 10 rows. But if we need to handle a large amount of data and the same errors are coming, we cannot find the spaces step by step or cell by cell. For that function, we need to use a function called trim. For example, I put the spaces for the multiple rows, multiple cells to check this is working or not. I will check. I will use the trim function, and I copy this function till end. Now I will use the function. I will use the VLOOKUP again. VLOOKUP formula using the cell H4. Now I will not select from the column C, but I will select from the column B to column E, and similarly I will log this cell, pressing the F4, and now I have to select 4 because it is at 4. The row marks are at the 4th number place starting from the column B. So I click enter, and then I will drag to the end. We'll see if the working or not. So you see the formula is working correctly. So rather finding out the one by one error or spacing, we can apply a trim function to avoid the delay or to do tedious work. Till now it is concluded from my side. You will find this video very informative and for your knowledge. So I will request you to please if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can see my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.